Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have this cool tablet and this is a 7-inch tablet and this particular one is from Samsung and this is the SMT290 from Samsung. And of course, as I said, it's a 7-inch tablet. I'll put the specifications on screen so you can actually check this out for yourself. I'll also have a purchasing link so you can purchase below. Let's first look at the quality of the display, design quality and so on. All right, it comes in this cool matte black color, and of course you can see the camera at the back here, and of course it says the Samsung logo, and there's pretty much nothing else on the back. And you can see already guys, this is a bit of a fingerprint magnet, not bad, but if you have sweaty palms it will leave slight residue. And of course, as you can see here guys, it's the front of the device. There's this glass, edge to edge glass, but of course there's this bezel. You can notice the darker bezel. There's a front facing camera, which is always good. There's no home button, but of course this uses the capacitive on-screen buttons. And of course if we check at the top here guys, we still have the headphone jack. Next, towards the side guys, we have on the what side is this? On the left side we have what seems to be a micro SD card slot or a SIM tray. I think this is a micro SD card slot. Nothing else at the long side. Towards the base we have the speaker grills. We have a charge port. We have also a mic port, another speaker port at the base there. On the right side we have what seems to be a power key and volume up and down, pretty standard. All right, so let's power this thing up to see what it looks like. All right, so if we power up this piece from Samsung, just swipe up. So once it's up, you can check out the device yourself, and of course it looks quite nice. You can see the weather widget at the front screen here. We have Samsung and Google apps up front, and of course you have the camera. And if we check out the camera quality right now, all right, not bad for a camera of this size. So as you can see, it does give you a very nice quality. I apologize for the glare. All right, so if you check out the camera quality right here, you can see, of course guys, it does do a decent job. So let me just snap a picture right now. Also, we have the front facing camera, so let's switch again. All right, so you can see the front facing camera. There is me in the shot, and of course not a bad quality as well. It does have a solid pixel resolution, and of course we're gonna snap another picture using the front camera. All right guys, so far I'm liking the pictures. Let's check out the gallery. All right, so let's check out the gallery right here. So I'm gonna go into pictures. So as you can see here guys, this is the main camera, and very solid picture reproduction. You can see if we pixel peep, you can see the detailed quality. So of course again, this device has a decent camera for a tablet. All right, so I'm very impressed so far, so not bad. Next we have over here the front facing camera. As you can see here, we're in a very lit room, so that might also affect your results. Of course I haven't tested this in low light conditions, but you can use it as an example right here. Notice the darks are very dark, can barely make out anything, but of course the areas that are well lit do produce a solid color reproduction and resolution. So of course your quality may vary based on the exposure to light. All right, so nice. As again guys, you can check out here, just check out the software that this thing is running as of now. And as I saw earlier, there's an update available. Well, let's see what this device is about. As you see here, is the full specs of the device. It's a Tab A. It's a 8-inch. So sorry about that. This is the 2019 model. So of course, guys, my bad earlier. Instead of a 7-inch, this is actually an 8-inch, which is a bit larger. And you can see here the version information is the SMT290. All right, so I might blur up the serial information right there. And of course, so far so good. You'll see you have Google Play Store, you have full Galaxy support. In terms of storage, you can check this out as well. All right, so in order to see how much space we are provided with out of the box, as I said, there's a SD card slot, which I think it is at the side there. So we're going to go over to device care. Now in device care, guys, you'll notice here it does run through. We can go to storage, and of course you can see here based on the scan already I have a 15 gigabyte SD card installed. In addition, you do get 19 gigabytes of onboard storage. Also, let's fully check out the software information as to what's available on or what do you get on this device. So if we go back to the about tablet and we do go into software information, you'll find, guys, that we have One UI 1.1, Android 9, and of course you can see the kernel version and so on. And of course, so far I'm liking this. It's very snappy, it's very responsive. All your apps are supported. You can also update and get the latest software update. This would be great for of course a child, a small child, or of course it could also be a great for a work device. So if you do a lot of multimedia based stuff, such as you need the latest apps and so on for latest presentation. So of course I would say this is a great companion device. So if you are going to be doing a lot of work, so this can work for a child or a full-blown adult. You will not find much shortcomings as the device does offer a lot. I like the fact that you can actually do all of the modern multimedia stuff, such as using communication apps such as WhatsApp. Of course, you can use other stuff such as Skype, you name it. They're all supported here. You can do teleconferencing through any form of app that supports that. So you can actually go live on Instagram, Facebook, you name it. So you won't be left out. Anything that you can do on a full-blown Android device, you'll be able to do here. You have the full suite of Google and Samsung apps integrated. You have your contacts and so on. So in case you need to contact anybody, you can actually store it here. It, however, doesn't, or this model doesn't make calls. But of course, that's not a big drawback, as of course, the tablet itself is quite flexible. You can load on your kids app from the Play Store. Or of course, if you're an adult, you can load on Microsoft Word. You can do your PowerPoint presentations, you name it, from here. The trick would be, however, is to translate whatever you are using to your situation. So for example, if you are a teacher, you'd have to find the suite of apps that best suits you. If you are a child, of course, your parents can load on apps for you. And of course, if you are going to school and you need the full support of stuff such as document processing and so on, you can get Microsoft Word. There's Open Office, and there's a bag of apps that you can actually go to. Your music needs are also taken care of. I don't want to play any videos and so on, but your multimedia such as enjoying music, playing the latest music videos, or watching movies is all supported here. You can install Netflix and enjoy all of those. We have Spotify support and all that. All right, guys. So of course, as I said, anything that you can do on a full-blown Samsung device, you can do it here. You'll have the full suite of apps and you can actually enjoy yourself. So of course, guys, I'm going to end up the review right here. This is Ricardo Gardner as usual. If you enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up, and bye until next time. Bye, guys. Love you.